on, Blick! That trip to China is mine! The land of the samurai.
That's
Mount Fuji. That's the land of French fries. I'm here to tell you I'm gonna win that trip because I've got a lucky claw. Ooh, indeed, Waffle. It is good fortune you will draw when you do grow a lucky claw upon your little front left paw. My claw! Someone's taken my claw! Blake, Waffle, my claw! It's gone!
it's
Blake, harming the claw is bad luck. You have brought a curse upon our house!